Hey guys, Digital David here. Today I'm excited to be unboxing and reviewing for you guys a Libra Knife Sharpener, and it can sharpen scissors. I did receive this to review on my channel. That being said, you can check this out on Amazon. This is how it's going to come packaged to you, and the link will be in my video description below if you're in the market for a knife sharpener. Looks pretty sweet, great product photography, great explanations on how to use it on the side. This side shows you the same thing. It just explains mode 1, 2, 3, and 4. So you have the scissor sharpener, a coarse grinding, a medium grinding, and a ceramic grinding. So you start with 2, finish at 4, that sort of thing. Really cool packaging. Now we'll go ahead and just jump right in and open it up. Here's how it comes packaged. Pretty nice and neat. Also looks like it comes with a little cleaning brush, which is nice, so you can get some of the filings and stuff out of there. It's big. It's bigger than I thought, so a really nice handle you can use to grab and grip as you sharpen your knives back and forth in here. And again, you want to start with 2, then move to 3, and then 4. The scissor sharpener looks pretty cool too. And again, you can just hold this. It's nice. It's got nice cushions there if you can see any of that. Really good build quality. The gray's pretty neat, the black's cool, and it's got obviously the stainless steel right here. So looks pretty sweet. Again, Libra's the brand. It's on Amazon. It also comes with, it looks like, a 1-year warranty, which is nice, so you want to hold on to that. And I actually brought some scissors. I thought it'd be fun to kind of see how this works. So I'm assuming you keep the scissors shut or open them just a smidge. Let's see if I can do this. Yep, and then just push and keeping them pinched, pull to sharpen. So not bad, pretty cool. Just sharpens them, works right in there, so that's pretty neat. So yeah, you can sharpen scissors, you can sharpen your knives. Really a cool knife sharpener. Go ahead, check it out. Again, links in my video description below. Libra's the brand. It won't break your budget. Build quality seems great. Should be able to hold up for a long time. And you can just conveniently carry this, put it on your countertop, your table to sharpen. Go ahead, leave me any questions, comments you have. Hit that sub button if you haven't, and I will see you guys in my next video.